Greetings and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Alright, today we have a Prestosuchus from Dino Trackers and a Postosuchus from Primal Attack. And we will compare to the new KAPROSUCHUS from Epic Evolution. It's still sealed. There you go. We're gonna open it up. It's all wrapped. Alright. So right here we have this Dino Tracker custom painted Prestosuchus. I forgot which colored, I totally forgot which I got this inspiration. I think it's from Jurassic World Alive. Or some, I don't even remember anymore. But anyways, and this is the Postosuchus. This is a classic one. It's very rare. They haven't made any variants yet of this one. Same as this, no variants yet. But this one is really old now, but it's super rare. It's really pricey at eBay or Mercari or anywhere. You find it online, it's really pricey. So when you move the tail from on its right, the mouth moves. There you go. It has to be right there. The right side, so the mouth will move. This one right here has a button, you chomp it. It's a big mouth. Here's the DNA scan. I don't think you can open it anymore because of the paint. Yeah, I can't really open it anymore because of the paint. This DNA scan right here, the classic one. And we will go to the KAPROSUCHUS, another new one from Mattel. They haven't made any variants yet of this guy. Let's check it out. Alright, excited for this guy. Alright, KAPROSUCHUS Strike Attack. Neat color. It has a decent size. It's actually bigger than this too. Okay, let's open it up. Let's check the box first. Yeah, until now I still don't have this Velociraptor. Gonna find it. There's also a red one now. But anyways, let's open it up. You're right. Nice. Let's check it out. Oh wow, one more. There you go. Alright. Really nice color. Looks definitely like a crocodile, but with longer legs. And has, wow, has spikes on its arms right there. My goodness. Really nice color. I'm loving it. And here's the DNA scan. There you go. But how do you open it? Oh, here we go. So you push it. There you go. So you push it down and it opens up. There you go. You push its shoulders down. Look at the mouth face of this guy. Gosh, look at those teeth. It's nuts. Alright, let's compare to the Postosuchus. Okay, it has the same length, I think. Bigger head, same body. Okay, so this is the feature. You just push it, it opens up. Chumps. Okay, loving it. It is a crocodile with really long fangs, or tusks, or teeth. Then the Prestosuchus. Okay. Oh wow, it has a bigger body, actually. Bigger head. But so far, this is my favorite now. The color, the face. Goodness. Alright. There you go. Nice. Definitely a crocodilian here. Alright, so next video, we will be doing a Beast of the Mesozoic. Finally, it's been a while. We haven't done any Beast of the Mesozoic for a while. So yeah, that's our next video for the next, what, 2 or 3 days, maybe? Well, for now, that's it. I'd like to say thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. And a big shout out to... to Teresa Wilson. How are you doing? Hope you like this video. We got a cool new figure here, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Thank you. Fare thee well.